Hey everybody, Ray and I just went foraging for some raspberries and I'm going to rinse them, dry them the best I can, and I am going to make a dessert. I'm going to put them in a little bit of sugar tonight and we're going to start in the morning. Here it is, rinsed, tried to dry them, pat them dry a little, and now I just put some stevia in it and stirred them up. So let's get started. Good morning. We're going to continue with what I'm going to do with the raspberries. We're going to make raspberry bars today. I was a little under the weather, so I wasn't sure if I was going to make these or not, but I decided I will. So everything will be in the description box below, and this is a new recipe to me. So let's get started. Why waste the time? Okay, here we go. We want 2 cups of Bisquick, the original. I use the heart healthy one. And let's see. You want to put the oats in. And let's see here, Bisquick, the oats, and the brown sugar. In a large bowl, and then you want to cut in the butter or use, let me see, hold on. Okay, I've got a pastry blender here, and a fork, and a masher, excuse me. And we are going to take softened butter, just like this. And put it right in. Hope everybody's having a fine day. This butter is very soft, so we probably won't even need a pastry blender. But if you guys don't know what they are, they look like this. They're hard to find now unless you go to a specialty store. I think I'm just going to use my fork because this is very, very soft. I'll say you just want to mix this in a large bowl. And we all know what mixing's all about here. But let's see, push this over, make sure you got always clean hands when you're cooking, baking, doesn't matter when, always have clean hands. Okay, I'm gonna mix this real well and then I'm gonna bring you back. Okay, here we have it all mixed up really well. And we're only going to put half of it in a 9x9x2 pan, and we're gonna reserve the other half. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in like this. Oh, let's see, I guess that's about half. It's hard to guess unless you got a measuring bowl that tells you the measurements on it. And then it says you want to push it in. So we're going to push this in just like this. Okay. And these are going to be raspberry bars. I got the oven heating at 400 and they're going to bake for 25 to 30 minutes. There, let me wipe my hands here. One side's dry and the other side's wet. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your raspberry, or they say you can use blackberries. Like I said, we went and we foraged these berries. Ray and I did last night. We had to hurry up before the bears came out. It was getting dark and we were right in bear country. Hurry up because darkness was setting in and we didn't want to get any unexpected guests because that wouldn't be fun. They're more scared of us than we are of them, I think, or I'm kind of scared of them. You want to keep it about 1/4 of an inch away from the sides, it said. You kind of got to guess on that, unless you got a ruler, unless you're really good on every inch you use. and you want a cup. You want to use a cup. I used a little bit more than a cup because when I have something, I want to taste it, you know? Just like this. Well, I guess I went pretty much over on that one. Oh, well, it is what it is. It's all going to taste good. We hope. This is a new recipe. And hopefully Ray can eat this in very moderate, small pieces. There we go, just like that. And then you're gonna put the other half right over the top. Just like this. Okay, just like that. And we're gonna spread it out. Just like this. This is a very easy recipe. It would be great to make with your grandkids or your children or your niece or your nephew, anybody. Go into a assistant living, do a bake day with them. Get anybody that would like to get involved. And then it says you want to gently press this down. Now, sometimes I don't know what gently means. Again, this is going in a 400-degree oven for 20 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna pop it in the oven, and then I'm gonna bring you back. I just came in from outside, and I got caught in a rain shower, but we are ready to test these raspberry bars. They look like they came out great. So, let's take a look here. I'm gonna pan you. Well, actually, let me do this. Don't they look good? Look at that. Yum. Nice on the bottom, they cooked. Okay, so I'm gonna pan you down. That's what they look like. I already did some cuts here. And we are going to take out this one, I guess. First one is always hard to get out. Oh, I left some crust. Whoa, I left some crust in there. I'll put it right in there. And that's what it looks like. Let me pick it up. Look at that. Now, let me bring you up. And I got this. The only thing about raspberries, I don't like the seeds. I don't like things getting in my teeth. So here we go. There it looks. Yum. There's the bottom. Mm-hmm. A little tart, but we picked the berries last night, and I put a little bit of sugar in just for Ray so I could make a filling. Mm-hmm. He's gonna love it. I don't have anything to drink. I was so worried about being all wet. But there you go, folks, right there. Please give me thumbs up. Try this recipe. It's really good. First time I ever made it. And it does cut up good into a bar. Got great toppings. And hopefully Ray can eat this in moderation. And I just did get a call from the doctor, and all Ray's tests look good. Still can't figure out why he's losing weight. Maybe he's working too hard, not eating enough food, but his blood sugar level for 3 months, what is it called, AC1, I'm still new to this, was 6.4. That's awesome. So that's good. That's twice within 6 months that it's come out great. So I must be doing something right when I'm cooking, and he must be eating okay. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Try this, it's really good. I hope you have a blessed weekend, what's left. And, well, wait a minute. I'm not posting this on the weekend. I'm gonna post it on Monday, I think. I made this on Friday because I have a feeling I've got a lot of things coming up in the next day with family and all. So tell me if you've made raspberry squares or not. It's really good. God bless. And you gotta try it because it's yummy. We'll see you later. Stay safe and healthy. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.